Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. We have a tropical update for you, talking about the severe weather and flood potential and monsoonal moisture in the southwest. But how about Hillary? Still ongoing as a Category 2 hurricane from earlier today. Winds sustained over 100 miles per hour. The track has us drifting to the west and then maybe a storm, tropical storm, by Sunday. Just west of that, Irwin, a Category 1 hurricane. Tropical depression Greg now well off to the west, and then another wave of energy. At this point, a low probability of tropical formation within the next 5 days. But again, looking at Irwin, a much smaller, not quite as intense storm system, but Hillary is gaining on Irwin, and these two storm systems could actually get tangled up by the end of the week here. We'll see what happens, but as you notice, tropical storm strength by this upcoming weekend. Meanwhile, in the Atlantic Basin, we have some activity there. A low probability of tropical formation with that wave over the next 5 days. But yesterday we had some hail and wind across parts of the Midwest. That particular wave of energy, again, will be shifting a little bit farther south and east here. Slight risk of severe weather over the Midwest. Looks like a large hail and damaging winds would be the primary concern, but we can't rule out maybe an isolated tornado out near the Des Moines, Iowa area and north central Missouri. And then by Thursday, the threat shifts from the Ohio Valley into the mid-Atlantic states and then a little farther southeast on Friday to include Atlanta, Georgia even. But showers and storms here, again, could produce some very heavy rainfall. We actually have some flash flood potential in some of these areas, maybe some 1 to 2 inch rainfall tallies. There's your flash flood watches yet through this evening and early tomorrow morning. Some spots over the mid-Atlantic states could have some heavy rain there as well. And we're still talking about some heat concerns over the central U.S. Today, St. Louis up to 100, but you factor in the dew point, could feel more like 105 to 108 in some spots. Meanwhile, the heavy rain continues in the southwest due to monsoon storms.